Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. So, as we have started our 21 days graphic design course, we are still discussing a logo design. Yes, we are still looking at how to design a creative logo. Yes, and today's edition we are going to look at how to create this beautiful logo you are seeing on your screen using a letter and shapes. So we are going to combine letter and shapes to get this beautiful logo design. So quickly, let me start by designing everything from the scratch. Yes, so I'll go here and then I pick and yes, I'll clear everything. Yes, I'll clear everything. Then I'll delete. Okay, let me just use the text. I'll come to the text option and then edit it and then write my N. Yes, I'll write N and then check OK and then go and pick OK here. Now increase the size of the letter. I want to go to the text size. Yes. Then I increase the size to my preferred. Perfect. Then I go to the font option. Yes, I go to my font. So I've downloaded this font, Nexa Heavy. Yes, Nexa Heavy. That is the font I'm using. And if you don't have it, don't worry. The next episode of this channel, I'll teach you how to download and install fonts on your Pixel Lab. Yes, these ones are downloaded font that I'm using. So I will leave a link in the description for you to download the font as well. So click on OK, and then as you have seen, now it has come perfectly. So I'll just scale the size again, and then go and center and align. Yes, go and center and align. Perfect. Then I'll leave it. Okay. Then I still the size, the color is white. I'll go to a stroke. I'll look for a stroke here and then check the stroke and leave the color of the stroke should be black. It should be black, and then scale it to, let's see, 100 or 60 is okay. Then leave it this way. Let me center and align again. Because of adding the stroke, I realize that the position has changed. So let me center and align. Everything is okay. Now go to the shape side. Go and click on shape. Now radius, increase it to 100. Now opacity, make it 0, and then go to stroke and then make the stroke something like 50 or 40 is okay. Perfect. 40 is okay. So scale it up this way. Scale it up a bit. Yes, scale it up a bit. And I think it's okay. If you prefer the stroke width, if it's okay for you, then click on OK. Then you can center and align again. Yes, let's center and align. Perfectly. Now let me lock the two. And this is the most important aspect of it. Quickly pick a shape again and then change that color of the shape to either black. Yes, change it to black, color black. So go and pick your color black. And then, as I said, this is the most important aspect. So check it very well. This is the most important aspect. So if you don't get this one, then it means whatever you are going to do will be wrong. So adjust it well. Now, in order to get it properly, let me go to opacity and reduce the opacity so that the opacity at least becomes something. I want it to be transparent so that I can see and then move it properly. So I move this thing. Yes, I'll move it to this side. Perfect. Please position it well. Please position it very well. We want the black to hit the edge. This, as I said, this is the most difficult aspect of it. So if you don't get it right, then it means all your design or everything that you are going to do will become a problematic. And I think it's okay, but I need to bring it down a bit. So bring it down a bit. Still, I need to check it up. And I think this is okay. But let me position it well and perfectly check if it's okay. And I think it's okay. Perfect, it's okay. So let me go and then select it. Go and select the same thing and increase the opacity, or better still, I can duplicate it. Yes, I want to duplicate it or copy it. So copy it and then bring it to this side. Yes, that side. We need to position it again at this side and make sure it's in line. Yes, make sure it's in line. So as I said, please, this is the most difficult aspect, but take your time and do it well. I know you can do. Yes, I know that you can do it. That's why we are trying our hands on this. Trying our hands on it. We don't have to be trying the simple ones every day like that. At least we need to graduate and try some of the hard ones. Yes, we need to graduate and try some of the hard ones. So just adjust it, take your time and adjust everything so that everything should be in line. Yes, if everything is in line, then you check it and I think it's in line now. It's in line now. So I'll go to the layer panel, pick the first one and then go and increase the opacity. Yes, because we reduce the opacity in order to get the brightness. So that then go and pick the second one, go to opacity again and increase it. Now you see, perfect. Now everything is in line. Everything is in line. Then come and pick another shape and with that one make it color white. And then put it here. Yes, you can put it here. That one too you can read. Yes, let's check it first. And see, go to opacity again. So look for opacity and reduce the size. And then position it at this side. Perfect. Position it at the edge. And then you can copy it. Go here, go and copy and bring it down here. And position it at this side too. Position it at this side. If it's not positioned well, go to the position. Yes, go to the position and then reduce and then look at it and do it properly. Yes, look at it and do it properly. Guys, keep trying. Please, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do, my brothers and sisters. You know what to do. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share and comment. Please comment, do comment for me. The comment can be any of your favorite emojis. Even I prefer favorite emojis than writing text to comment. Yes, I prefer favorite emojis. Yes. So please show love by subscribing to this channel, like, share and comment as well. So once everything is okay, let me go and select them and then go to the opacity and set it to 100%. Perfect. I'll go to the second one and then set opacity to 100%. Perfect. Now I have to merge all the layers. Yes, I have to merge all the layers. So I'll go here and select all the layers. And merge them. Imagine this is if I'm counting from the left side. The left side is what? Delete and then copy and then merge. That is what is at the center. So I'll merge it and then they say, are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Click on OK. Yes. Perfect. Now scroll here and go and see erase color. A lot of people are using erase. If you use erase, it will not go. Please locate erase color. Click on erase color and check it this way. Perfect. You realize that all the white areas is gone. Click on tolerance or hit on tolerance and boost it to 70. Yes, boost all the tolerance to 70. And I think this is perfect. This is perfect. If it's okay, click on OK like this. Perfect. Then go to the center and align again. You center and align. Now copy it and then position it and center and align. Perfect. Then merge everything again to get one layer. Perfect. Then you can lock it again. Lock it so that it doesn't move. Lock it so that if you touch it this way, you realize that it's gone. It's not moving. That is exactly what you want. Now go to shape again. Then stroke to radius to 100%. Set color to black. Yes, set color to color black, and then reduce the size drastically to at least something small this way, and position it. Oh no, I think I have to get rid of it. So you go to your shape, radius is at 100%, reduce it this way and position it this way. Yes, position it this way and set the color to color black. Perfect. Set the color to color black, and then you can adjust it and position it at the edge of that line. Yes, at the edge of that line. So I want it to be here. If it's okay, perfect. I want this one. I prefer this one. So copy it. Oh, sorry. Once it's selected, you can even copy it from here. Copy it and then use the position. Bring it to the center, and then you can send it to this side and use the other position. Yes, and then adjust it this way. Be checking it. So if this is okay for you, then with the two selected, I think you can even pick this ones. Then you copy it. You copy it this way, and then use the positions. Yes. So you use the positions and then take your time and bring it over there. And I think this is awesome. So I can copy this one again, and then relative position. I want it to be fast, so let me go to the relative position and then use the other position. Yes, use the position and then bring it. I want it to be moving fast a bit for me. Then it should go up. I want it to go up this way. It should go up and you go and fall. And I think this is awesome. So if you realize, it has covered all the areas we cut away. Perfect. Then let's merge everything together. So we merge everything together. Select all together. Perfect. And then merge them. Perfect. Once you merge them, perfect. You can even lock it again. Yes, you can lock it again. Perfect. So that even if you touch, it doesn't move. Once you lock it this way, then go and select it like this, and then go to texture. You realize texture. So click on texture, go here, and then I have this silver texture in my gallery. So I will send it to the platform or I will send a link for you to download and then practice it. Now click on OK. Perfect. Now go to the texture again. Move here to 205 and click on OK. Yes, click on OK. Now let's go to inner glow. Shadow. Let's go to shadow. Click on this one. Perfect. Now you are seeing blur radius. Make it 1. Yes, blur radius. Make it 1. Then offset. Make it 20. Yes, make it 20. Perfect. And then the Y also make it 20. So push it this way and make it 20. Keep adjusting till you hit 20. Perfect. This is awesome. So you can keep adjusting it till you get the nice thing you want. Perfect. Perfect. And then click on OK this way. Now go to the background. Yes, go to the background, and then I have this background from our gallery. I have this background from our gallery. Set it this way and then click on OK. Perfect. So you see, now go and unlock the whole logo. Yes, go and unlock the whole logo. And then guys, this is how we are able to achieve this nice logo design using our pixel app. And if you prefer to add some details such as name to it, then you know what to do already. You can position it. Once this is selected, you can position it. Yes, you can position it well. You can position it using the relative position. Center and align this way, and then you can add your details. Such as maybe Nexus, maybe or Nexus clothing. Maybe I want to use. Yes, maybe I want to use this one. So Nexus clothing. Yes. Then I prefer this one. So if it's okay, then guys, go and change your font. Better still, you can increase or you can send this one up a bit. You can send this one up a bit, and then make sure you go and lock it, or you put it at the center. Yes, put it at the center and lock it so that it doesn't interact. When you touch it, it doesn't interact what you are doing. Now go and change the text or the font if you want. Go and change the font if you want. Yes, go and change the font if you want, and click on OK. Then guys, you know what to do already. So if I prefer, I will want to add a texture to it so that it will look uniform. Yes, so that it look uniform. So this goes here, and then Nezos clothing, I think the font is too huge. Okay, let me position it at the center again. So you position it at the center, and then add the details. Add the details such as your contact number, the social media handles, and preferably the tagline and more. So let me add some tagline to it. Best including global, or best dealers including best dealers in clothing. Perfect. So if this is okay, and remember with the tagline, the text should be at least some italic style, because the full name is what is communicating to people. So make sure that when you are adding a tagline, the tagline font or the size shouldn't be too big to the extent that it also speak much more. Yes, you need such informations on your details, but don't make sure it shouldn't be too big. Yes, it shouldn't be too big. At least it should be small, and then in there somehow, some way, because you have been seeing some of the logos outside. So you look at how they design it, and then how they write the inscription under it, and then you learn and practice. So I want to put some things over here, so make sure here is 20, and then maybe I prefer I should edit more and add some dot to it. Yes, dot. Better still, if this is okay, then I close it. Then it means I need to reduce the size. We need to reduce the size to something like, yes, if this is okay, I prefer maybe 50 should be okay. 50 should be okay. Then I'll position it. Perfect. So dealers in clothing, or I feel like adding some texture. Yes, adding some texture to it, and then it should be uniform. Yeah, everything should be uniform. Yeah, and then change it to, yes, then go and add put it to relative position, and then lock it. Now you can add your social media handles. As I said, you can add your social media handles in post to do. So once you import them from your gallery, and then you are done, you can quickly go to the save option and then save it as image. But before you save it as image, make sure you change the dimension. Yes, dimension. Change the dimension to ultra, and then save it to your gallery. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel, like, share, and let me know how this tutorial is being helpful to you. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now. I'm out.